Once upon a time, 13.7 billion years ago, there was an explosion that created the universe. Scientists named this the Big Bang Theory. Although we know relatively little about the universe, it has been proven through redshift and cosmic background radiation that the universe has been rapidly expanding since the Big Bang. Redshift, the shift in color that occurs in moving objects once having passed the point of relativity. The object, for example, a galaxy, appears blue while approaching, then red while moving away. When explosives are detonated, radiation is released. When the Big Bang happened, radiation was splattered everywhere, as demonstrated in the drawing of Earth. Over here we have a nebula, a colorful cloud consisting of mainly hydrogen. Not only is this cloud a beautiful sight, it is also the beginning of a star's life. The second stage of the star's life can only happen when a nearby explosion is powerful enough to allow gravity to pull the nebula together. This second stage is called a protostar. Some billion years later, a nuclear reaction where hydrogen bonds with itself, called fusion, transforms the protostar into a main sequence star. Eventually, the main sequence star runs out of hydrogen to fuse and starts burning helium. This causes the star to expand into a red giant. As the red giant nears the end of its life and no longer has any elements to burn, it condenses into a white dwarf before officially petering out into a black dwarf. If the main sequence star is on the larger side, it will advance into a supergiant and then take the path of violence. It explodes into a supernova. After this chemical outburst, a black hole is all that is left. Solar systems are created through a process called accretion, in which the aftermath of supernovae collect into planetesimals. The planetesimals are held in orbit by the nearest star. They collect dust and gases as they grow into planets. These planets sometimes have moons, such as Earth and its moon. During the process of Earth's creation, 4.6 billion years ago, Earth collided head-on with Theia. All that was left of the collision was the improved planet Earth and the total destruction of Theia, the remains of the evolution gathered to form the Moon. Our solar system is on the edge of the Milky Way galaxy. 8 planets orbit around the Sun, which offers life on Earth and the chance to thrive.
Wait, why'd you click the film button?
Oh.